Hello, welcome, thanks for joining me. Today's short video is about a new camera. Oh, how boring is that? It's actually quite exciting times for me. I've just bought a DJI Neo and a N2 controller. So it's a palm-sized drone with some amazing functions. What will it do for my channel? Hopefully a lot when it comes to photo shoots of my bike or anyway. I'll show you the first ever video from it, and we'll be hearing more of it and seeing more of it in the future. Thanks for joining me. Here's that video.